Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by checking system requirements before installing Unverum. Ensure you have at least 2 GB RAM and 10 GB free disk space. Open port 8080 on your firewall for initial setup traffic. Choose an installation path. Docker is recommended for portability. If using Docker, install Docker Engine 20.10 and Docker Compose. For manual installs, install Node 18 Runtime and NPM. Download the Unverum Release 1.2.0 tarball from your provider, and verify the SHA 256. Use Docker Compose to simplify deployment when possible. Create a Docker Compose YAML that uses the Unverum image and binds port 8080 to the host. Allocate resources such as 4 CPUs and 2 GB RAM if available for performance. If you choose manual install, run npm install followed by npm run build and then npm start. Place configuration values in a env file. Include Unverum port equals 8080, node env equals production, and your DB URL connection string. After launching Unverum, complete the web setup wizard to create an admin account. Provide a valid email and choose a strong password for that admin user. Configure a domain name such as example.com and enable HTTPS with Let's Encrypt on port 443. Set automatic redirects from HTTP to HTTPS to secure traffic. Schedule weekly backups of the Unverum data directory and database. To update, use Docker Compose pull and Docker Compose upd to apply new releases safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.